Hello, it's Pup's Life. You are watching Top 5 Best Dog Hoodies. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Tcolp.Pet Tie-Dye Dog Hoodie. This colorful tie-dye dog hoodie made of high-quality 100% polyester, flexible soft lightweight material will keep them from overheating, durable and breathable, comfortable for your pet to wear for all the day. Your dog can be more attractive with these dog hoodies on. Number 4. Jecikelon Winter Dog Hoodie. Keep your pet dog warmer and more lovely. Solid color, classic and comfortable hooded sweatshirts with pockets. The sweaters are small in size and are not suitable for large dogs. Please check carefully our size information below. Number 3. EXPAWLORER Plaid Dog Hoodie. The stylish hoodie with hat has totally 4 range of sizes, which is suitable for the great majority of dogs, and the small size can fit cats as well. The stylish hoodie with hat has totally 4 range of sizes, which is suitable for the great majority of dogs, and the small size can fit cats as well. It is perfect for formal occasions, daily wear and outdoors, which can be used as elegant outfit, ordinary dress and nightgown as well. Number 2. Zack and Zoey Basic Hoodie for Dogs. Hooded sweatshirts are comfortable, cozy fit. Made of 65% polyester and 35% cotton. Available in heather gray color. Comes in large size. Measures 20-inch length. Material 65% polyester, 35% cotton. Number 1. KOOLTAIL Basic Dog Hoodie. This hoodie sweater is very stylish. It looks like a sport coat. Trust me, when your pet wearing it, it will look very stylish and cool. This hoodie sweater is very stylish. It looks like a sport coat. Trust me, when your pet wearing it, it will look very stylish and cool. The hoodie is very durable and not easy to be broken by your naughty furry friend. Extensile material ensure that the sweater cannot be torn or broken by your pet.